There's a light about 1.75 miles to the southwest. It's moving now. It was hovering, now it's moving very slowly south. It's only about 100-foot altitude. It's Sunday the 18th of December 2016. It's got little flashing lights on it. Is it a helicopter? Because it was definitely hovering before. Won't be able to see it much longer without changing position. There we are, it's gone behind the tree, so I'll have to move across. Picking up speed now, so is it a helicopter or can't see it? I can still see it with the eye, but I can't zoom in. I'll switch off at that.